Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Tango application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tango application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with using your phone number and your verification code or your Google account to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the Explore page from which you can directly start chatting with various individuals. Now, if you wish to change the language on your app, tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then scroll down and tap on General. Now, from the General tab, tap on Language Settings. And now you will see the app language feature. Just tap on this and you will be able to choose from the list of various different languages that are available for the app. Just tap on your desired language and this language will be applied to your Tango application right away. You can also change the translation languages for live chat if you wish to do so. And you can come back to this menu as many times as you want to change your app language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on Tango app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.